Hey guys, over the time I've acquired a couple of TRVs to help me with my DIY heating system. You know, these aim to regulate the temperature of individual radiators, and I've got this stuff from Sonoff, Agara, Shelly, Moz, and now from Meross. It works with usual from Apple HomeKit to Google Home and Alexa, but I thought I'm going to open it up, and let you have a closer look before I start testing. So what we've got in there, a thermostat, a couple of adapters, a router. Oh, there's a charging cable included, by the way. I'm probably gonna need some batteries, so let me get those. Alright, it looks neat. I like the display, it's easy to use. You're gonna need one of these to add one of these and make it work together. Can I? So how do they work? They have a small pin inside that actuates the bulb like this, which is attached to your radiator. In a couple of weeks I'm gonna have it fully reviewed, so stay tuned. In the description of this short, you're gonna find the link to the product itself. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Bye!